We got you a little something.
I feel like I'm being initiated into the
Of
family.
course.
When people think of Italian culture in New York City, the first thing they think of is Little Italy. But the Bronx has one of the best kept secrets in New York, and it's the real Little Italy. Italians prioritize three things in life: family, faith, and formaggio. We're here at Casa Della Mozzarella, where my nonna specifically sent me to taste some traditional Italian cheese, so let's mangia. So what makes this mozzarella so different from grocery store mozzarella?
This is a passion, it's a culture, it's a tradition. Here, mozzarella is made on a slow day every 20 minutes. It's made with love, and we tried to bring something special here. And my father did that in 1983. He came here with a dream. He said, I want to make mozzarella. And to passing it on to someone like me, who's son, that's what makes it so special, because there's a story in here.
Okay. This is almost ready. You know, so how do you know when it's ready, right? I know. Is everything like nice and shine?
It looks so beautiful.
I want you to say wow when I do this, okay?
Okay,
1, 2, 3. Wow.
Wow, look at that. If I was making it, I'd just be eating as I went.
So we just made the stracciatella.
I could eat that whole pan just by itself.
We're gonna put in a mozzarella and we're gonna make it even better.
Let's keep going. Yeah.
Put the cream inside here, push your finger inside, cut it. And this is the burrata with the finger inside.
Perfetto.
Perfetto.
We try to make it feel like you don't have to leave New York to get mozzarella from the south of Italy.
Now you cut a slice of mozzarella.
Yeah, let's do it. I want to eat some more. Oh, look at that.
You try now.
Ready?
Yeah, look at everybody, guys.
It's delicious. I purposely did not eat anything today because I knew I was coming here, and I was like, I need to eat the mozzarella. I need to eat the prosciutto.
I'm sure you want a sandwich too now.
And now I'm going to eat a sandwich.
That's it. So you're set.
The perfect example of the American success story is my father, Arthur Ave. I'm proud to honestly say that.
Thank you.
I try not to make him cry too much.
You have a great son, a great family, and a great store. Come join the family.
And Sarah.
And Sarah, who's now a member.
Proud member.
Proud member.